All right, number 6 from quiz number 2. We're going to evaluate the expression negative a plus 4y given the value of a is 3 and the value of y is negative 2. Now, anytime you have a negative that's immediately in front of a variable, what you could do is write a negative 1 in front of that, because negative a means the opposite of the value of a. So let's continue. We have plus 4 times y. Now we can substitute. The value of a was given to be 3. The value of y was given to be negative 2. Now the order of operation says to multiply, so we're going to go ahead and multiply the negative 1 times the 3, and we have 4 times negative 2. So individually, negative 1 times 3 is negative 3, plus, bring down the addition, and 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. So from this point, we can do this a couple different ways. We have a negative plus a negative, which is just a larger negative, or we could change our doubles. Now remember, we called this a double sign in an earlier video. Technically, the addition is an operation and the negative is a sign, but if you think about adding something negative to your life, that's really not a good thing. And so what we did was we created these plus minus columns like this. That 3 goes in the negative side, and because of the subtraction, we're treating that like the sign of the 8. That would also go on the negative side. So we have 11 to the negative. We don't have any positive numbers, so that's just a total of negative 11. So again, see that either way as a negative plus a negative is just a larger negative, or the way I described it off to the side. So now there is another way we could do this, and let me pick it back up from this point here. And this will help you avoid double signs. So we want to take care of this multiplication and this multiplication. But notice when we do, for the second part, we have negative 1 times 3. We know that's negative 3. But instead of just seeing this as a 4, check out the operator that's between. Leave that operator or use that operator as the sign of that 4. So a positive 4 times a negative 2 is a minus or negative 8. And you can see here that we avoided that double sign. So negative 3 minus 8 more is negative 11. So hope this helps.